Hi, I'm Rob, but that's not the point. The point of this video is how to land your MAVIC Pro like a boss using just the stock default settings. Something like that. So let me walk through what's going on there. It's sort of one of those things where because the drone is flying in GPS mode, it's way easier than you think. Very simply, it's flying forwards and down. You spin it around, fly it backwards and down towards you. When it gets above you, you stop flying, you just hold down only. It'll detect your hand as the ground, take back off again, flip your hand around, and then grab it. Hang on a second, go back. Detect your hand as the ground. Okay, so I've realized this is the part that most people get wrong. You gotta make sure you keep your hand under the sensor. Otherwise, it'll lose track of the ground and the next part won't work. Keep your hand under the MAVIC. Take back off again, flip your hand around, and then grab it. And once it's facing backwards towards you, all of the stick directions are natural to you, so you can do minor adjustments quite easily. When the drone's flying towards you, it's very difficult to switch your brain around and switch your hands around. So that's why I always like to bring it in backwards when I'm landing. I've come across a lot of other people who are flying their drones and turning off different safety features. I've seen people wrestling the drone out of the sky by, I think what I've seen them do is actually once it lands, they grab it and then twist it. Casey? Nice that? Maybe someone needs to tweet this to Casey to get him to learn how to do it the old way. So that's pretty much it. That's how to land your MAVIC Pro like a boss in the stock default settings. Hopefully that was handy for somebody. If you like this type of stuff, like and subscribe. Bye.